Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to sell on Shopify using Printify. Printify is one of the best print-on-demand platforms. To get started, you'll first need to create an account on Shopify. If you don't already have an account, I'll be leaving a link in the description that you can use to sign up. With this link, you'll get a 3-day free trial period, and then after that, all you'll need to pay is $1 per month for the next 3 months. Once you have used the link and you have signed up, all you'll need to do now is go over to the left-hand menu option, and you are going to tap right where you see apps. Next, you are going to tap on all recommended apps. After doing that, you will need to scroll down and you are going to tap right where you see Shopify App Store. After tapping on Shopify App Store, you will be redirected to this page and you are going to tap on the search bar and I want you to type in Printify. After you have typed in Printify, the next thing that I want you to do is select Printify Print on Demand, as you can see right here. And don't worry, as it is completely free to sign up, as Printify won't make any money until you make money. So you're going to tap on Install App. So all you'll need to do is tap on Install App, and from there you're going to sign up onto Printify. You can sign in using your email address or you can sign in using your Google account. So let me tap on Open App real quick. Once you are finished signing up, you'll be led to this page. And all I want you to do is tap on Open Full Site in the top right hand corner. After doing that, you are going to hover over Catalog in the top left hand corner. And then you are going to see all of the different categories or items that you can add your design to. So you can decide whether you would like to add your design to a t-shirt, a mug, a handbag, anything like that. All you'll need to do is simply tap on the item that you'd like to add it to. As you can see right here, after tapping on Catalog, so let's say for example I would like to add my design to this shirt right here or this hoodie. All I would need to do is tap on it. Then from here I'm going to scroll down and you're going to tap on Start Designing. Tap on My Device to upload your design. By the way, you can use Canva to create designs. All you'll need to do is go onto canva.com and you could create a free account. And from there, for example, I typed in vintage t-shirt designs and you can see the different designs that they came up with. Keep in mind that you'll only be able to use the designs that don't have the crown icon, as you'll need to be on the paid plan to use any one of these designs. But there are numerous designs that you can use for completely free. All you'll need to do is tap on the design that you want and then you'll be redirected to a new page. From here you could edit the design, so you could change the picture, you can also change the text, and all of the features are on the left hand menu option. Once you're finished with your design, you'll tap on Share in the top right hand corner. Then you're going to tap on Download, and from there you'll tap on Download to save it. Once your design has been saved, you'll go back into Printify, tap on My Device. Then you're going to go through downloads and you're going to find design that you have came up with. And you're going to add it right here. Then from here you can enlarge the design by simply pulling on the box. So you can change the placement, as you can see right here. Once it is to your liking, you're going to tap on Save Product. After you have tapped on Save Product, you'll now be able to see the mockups, as you can see right here. So these are the different mockups. So I'll use that as my main mockup. Then you can scroll down and you can edit the product description. And you can also edit the product title. If you like to add tags, you can also do that. And by scrolling down, you'll be able to edit the price also. You can see the recommended retail price at the moment is $34. And with that, you'll be able to get a profit of 40%, which would work out to $13.73. After doing this, you can also select the different variants that you would like to add by simply tapping on the box right there. Then you're going to tap on Publish in the bottom right hand corner. Once you have tapped on Publish, the item will now be added to your store, as you can see publishing. And once the item has been added, all you'll need to do now is go back into Shopify. So let's go back real quick and see if the item has been added. And go over to the top left hand corner, and from there you'll tap on Products. So it hasn't been added as yet, so just give it a bit of time. But once it has been added, you'll see it in your store and you'll see it on Products. And then from there, all you'll need to start doing now is promoting your Shopify store, and that's it. Printify will deal with all of the customer service, all of that, and they'll deal with all of the shipping of the items. The only thing that you'll need to do is simply promote your store. And once you promote your store and persons start to visit it and like your item and start to make purchases, all you'll need to do now is simply collect the profit. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.